In a world that is moving too fast, one creature defies all limits.
Huh? Wow! Woo!
With the shell.
It is too fast to see.
Some say it is faster than light. Others say it is just a myth.
Too fast for you, huh?
According to relativity, you are the one moving slowly.
Congratulations!
Speed is relative. Swag is eternal. First things first, this shell, it is not a backpack, it is not a fancy hat, it is home sweet calcium-covered home. I do not rent it. I grow it. I fix it, and I hide inside it when life gets too loud. It is like a mobile panic room, but with better acoustics. You break my shell, you break me. So if you see me crossing your garden path, try not to do a giant foot smash, okay? I've got dreams. And bones, well, not actual bones, but you get the idea. Yes, I am slow. No, I do not care. You try gliding on your belly all day while dragging your house behind you. I move at a blazing 0.03 miles per hour. That is like 2 centimeters per commercial break. Or slowness is my superpower. You do not rush perfection or properly aged cheese. Or snails. While squirrels are out there doing parkour and getting eaten by hawks, I am down here chilling, gliding, and surviving. You can not hit what you do not notice. And believe me, nobody notices me. Until they do. And then they go, EW! Which, honestly, is just rude. Now let's talk about slime, my fabulous goo. My squishy path of power. It is not gross, it is glorious. My slime lets me stick to walls, crawl upside down, and moonwalk across cactus spines without a care. It is waterproof, bug-proof, and bonus, some of us even have glowing slime. I am like a disco ball in slow motion, and get this, I can slide over a knife blade without getting hurt. That is right, slime shields me like a gooey superhero cape. Spider-Man has webs, I have mucus. Everyone has got their thing. Ready for the weirdest part of my love life? I use a dart. A real, tiny, pointy love dart, made of calcium. Before 2 snails mate, yes, we are both hermaphrodites, which means double the organs, double the fun, we perform a little ritual. Sniffing, circling, sizing each other up like a slow-motion dance battle. Then, bam! One of us stabs the other with the dart. It is not mean, it is romantic. It tells our bodies to be more fertile. Scientists call it sexual selection. I call it the world's slowest fencing match. After that, eggs. Beautiful, squishy jelly bean eggs. We bury them in the soil like little treasure chests. Did you know I can taste with my feet? Yup, every step is like licking the world. Delicious, right? Also, I have got a tongue covered in thousands of microscopic teeth called a radula. Some of my cousins have over 14,000 teeth. That is more than 5 sharks combined. But do not worry, I use them to munch leaves, not fingers. Lettuce is life. So next time you find tiny holes in your garden plants, that was me. And honestly, I regret nothing. What do I do when it is too hot, too cold, or just generally unpleasant? I hibernate, sometimes for weeks, sometimes for months, sometimes for 3 whole years. I shut the front door of my shell with a special mucus plug, seal myself in like a goo-filled burrito, and just sleep. Bears wish they were this efficient. Extreme weather, drought, homework season, nope, I am out. Call me when it rains. I may look like a squishy bug in a twisty hat, but I come from a lineage older than dinosaurs. That is right. Snails have been around for over 500 million years. We watch the dinos arrive and leave. And unlike them, we did not need to be giant or scary. We just slimed our way through history. Ancient Rome? Slimed. The invention of sandwiches? Slimed. TikTok? Still sliming. So next time you are outside and spot a silver trail across the sidewalk, do not wipe it away or step over it. Stop, stare, appreciate. It is not just goo. It is my path, my journey, my autobiography, written in glittery mucus. Because I am not just a garden pest, I am a slime artist. A shell slinger, a soft-shelled survivor. I am a snail, and I just told you everything. Now, if you will excuse me, I have got to travel 3 inches to that strawberry over there. I see you in, like, Wednesday. Over 14,000 tiny teeth. Tastes with its feet. Hibernates for years. Shoots love darts. Absolutely older than dinosaurs. Stay slimy. Stay curious.